Welcome back. Before we look at the disorders of thyroid synthesis, let's look at the thyroid gland itself. The gland itself. The thyroid gland itself is actually a butterfly-shaped endocrine gland. It's found in the neck, just below the larynx. You find the thyroid gland there. So on each side of it's found below the larynx, and it is anterior to the trachea. It's one of the largest and primary organs of the endocrine gland. It weighs about 15 to 20 grams in adults. The thyroid gland is one of the many glands associated with the endocrine system, and is actually responsible for the production and secretion of thyroid hormones. The major thyroid hormones, like we have seen, is your triiodothyronine and your tetraiodothyronine hormones, which is your T3 and T4. Tetraiodothyronine can also be called tyrosine. So the thyroid secretion is actually controlled, like we listed in the previous video, by your TSH hormones secreted in the anterior pituitary gland. The thyroid gland does not just secrete only T3 and T4, it also secretes calcitonin. Calcitonin is actually an hormone that helps in calcium metabolism. So thyroid gland actually has so many functions. Like I said, it's butterfly in shape, in appearance, and it is made up of thyroid follicles. These thyroid follicles is called follicular cells. There are two types of follicular cells. We have the follicular cells and the parafollicular cells. In the follicular cells is where you have the production of your T3 and T4. In your parafollicular cells, we have the production of the parathyroid hormones. So, the follicular cells is enclosed in a space, in a lumen. And like I told you, that lumen is where you have your thyroglobulin synthesis, where you have your iodide being coupled to the thyroglobulin, and then we explain all that, the coupling process, and then the production of your T3 and T4. All this takes place in the lumen of the follicles. So the thyroid hormones is synthesized, like I said, when it is being ionized by iodine. It's being coupled to the thyroglobulin molecules. So what are the basic functions of thyroid hormones? What do they relate to? Why are they important? Thyroid hormones has several functions in the body. The first function it does is that it helps in the production of normal bone growth. It helps in the normal functioning of the muscular system. It regulates the basic metabolic rates. It also regulates oxygen usage in the body. It regulates lipolysis, glycolysis, gluconeogenesis, the basic metabolic function. It does that. It increases the LDL uptake, lowers cholesterol. So just name it, just imagine your metabolic processes. The thyroid hormone does that. It also increases your cardiac outputs. It promotes your GIT motility. It also helps in the secretion of all the GIT enzymes. It promotes and regulates the normal hydration of the skin. So these are the basic functions of the thyroid hormones.